Alright guys, me Jackson Richardson with the Huntsmen Outdoors. I gotta be kind of fast here. Dang it. There's a big bass. We're at this big lake here. We call it the Caboose Pond. And there was a big bass sitting right there. You can't see it on the camera. It's a little far, but it's completely clear. So you can see. So we just slowly ease around the pond and then we sight fish for big bass. So I got my sisters with me.
Hi.
There's Lucy, and then there's Emmy. So one of them's gonna be running the camera today, just sitting up on the seat and videoing. So which one wants to do it? You or you?
Phil, I'm not doing that. I got
Okay,
back for
Emmy.
tail.
See how it's just like that? You just video, right?
Right now?
Just like a phone. Two. Video me. Just kind of go back and forth from me to the camera. No, Lucy.
It just turned off.
Lucy, don't stop.
It just turned off.
I know, it's fine. It's still video. It's just...
How can I turn it back on?
No, you just touch the screen. And caught so many bass in this pond before. We come here and sight fish a lot.
And I'm gonna come here and swim. Really is really fun. There's a lot of seaweed.
Alright, we're just gonna keep going. We're just easing. Lucy's slowly pressing the pedal on the golf cart, and we're just slowly easing along, scanning the edges for big bass. Hopefully we'll find one on a bed or just cruising along. Oh, stop. Emmy, hold the camera. Big bass. Oh, two of them. Two big bass, big ones. Those things were huge. One just swam up there. That's a big bass. That's two big ones. I see one still. I still see one.
I need to eat all these crackers.
Don't stop. There's a big bass. Right there. Those were huge bass. Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
You got good footage and you see well? I
can't-
saw one of the bass.
I can't.
And then all of a sudden he kind of scurried off. You have to be really quick because they just kind of see you. They do see you most of the time. But there was one, he just kind of swam, and then this other one was kind of, we saw a shadow right back there. Maybe one cast. But one went up to it. I could just see a shadow, but I didn't know where my lure was, and I popped it, and he kind of obviously got scared. Maybe he was coming to eat it, maybe not. Usually when they're going to eat it, they just kind of run right up to it and eat it. Pretty quick. Keep going. Alright, you can go. Just slow. A little faster. Just like that. Stop. Emmy, hold it. I mean, it's like tiny little bass, but
Oh yeah, I saw it.
maybe he'll just eat it. Maybe one of the other ones will be a little ways out there and come up and eat it. He was just kind of cruising. He's swimming real fast along the edge. He's probably just scared. He was really skittish of us coming up. Here you go. Alright, you can go. Keep going. Just like that. Usually, almost 100% of the time, there's a big bass. There was 5 the last time I was here. The weeds are gonna be in the way a little bit right here. But there's a big log in the water right there. A lot of the times there'll be a stop, big bass. Emmy, here, camera. That's the one I saw last time. Oh, one to it. Fish on. Back on.
Holy smokes, I just saw that.
That is a
Breaking back.
That is a.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, what?
Holy.
Oh my gosh. Oh. How did you? That has to be 5 pounds. 5. Put it on the back of its heel.
Holy guacamole.
That is the biggest bass I've ever seen.
Look,
biggest bass
compared to mine.
That's it right there. Fatness. Here, get a. Hold on. Oh my goodness. That bass is huge. What? What in the world? That is crazy. No way. That's the biggest bass.
That's the biggest bass I've ever seen in my life.
What? That thing is huge. What in the world just happened? Wait till you see the mouth on this thing.
Holy guacamole.
No, that is unreal. That is unreal.
He's off the line.
No, he's still.
He's off the hook.
Look at the mouth on that bass. Look at the look at the. I'm really no way. That is just crazy. No way. That's unreal. I've never seen a bass of. That's my fingers all the way extended on him. I don't know how far that is, but that is unreal. Unreal. Look at the thickness of that bass. I don't know. Get me laying out next to it, like above. Can you see it? The sun's in my eyes. Can you see him? Good?
Yeah. Holy smokes. That thing is huge.
Lucy, lay down next to it. Gosh. Oh. And the top of it's right there. Oh. Well, wait, just lay down right next to it. Lay down. I want to get a good thing. The thing's so big. I don't know what to say. Look at the mouth. The mouth on that thing. And Lucy, open your hand all the way up next to it. Stick your hand all the way in its mouth. It won't bite you, I promise. I promise. I'm holding it.
I got it.
Look, all right, there. Look, I'm pulling it. Now, you can literally stick your hand. Just stick your 4 fingers in its mouth. It's not. Stick 4 fingers just down there. My literally fingers can go all the way in there. Look at that. All the way in. Do all 5. Do all 5, quick. Just go down to the back. Her whole hand. All right, that's good. Her whole hand can fit. Look at look. My hand's all the way open, almost the full length, about an inch off of each side. That thing's got to be at least 5 pounds.